Welcome to my channel. I'm your host GL, and today's video is packed with easy exercises about carbon steels, alloy steels. What is the primary alloying element in carbon steel? A. Nickel. B. Chromium. C. Carbon. D. Tungsten. E. Molybdenum. The correct answer is C. Carbon. Which of the following is not a type of heat treatment commonly applied to steels? A. Annealing. B. Normalizing. Quenching. D. Tempering. E. Galvanizing. The correct answer is E. Galvanizing. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps support the channel, and it only takes a second. What is the minimum chromium content typically required for a steel to be considered stainless? A. 5%. B. 10.5%. It's 15%. 20%. 25%. The correct answer is B. 10.5%. If you're looking for more exercises to test your knowledge, there's also a link in the description for you. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.